Hey, it's Les coming at you from New River, Arizona. And as some of you probably already know, I've relocated here and I'm in one of the new work areas that I've been trying to get set up. It's nowhere near where I want it to be and somewhat still disorganized, but hey, at least I got a place to work and I'm happy about that. But I wanted to make this little video, to share a little bit about this bike right here. I'm really excited to be involved with this project. And I wanted to tell people about it in hopes that they'd like it too, and that maybe folks would share this video and tell others about it as well. This is a raffle bike, and I'm very honored to be building it for the Patrick Eberhardt Memorial Ride and Charity Auction that happens every Easter. Patrick was a second generation Cave Creek Hells Angel member that died tragically in February of 2015. Patrick was only 23 years old, and every Easter Sunday he's remembered with a group ride followed by a charity auction. And the charity auction raises money for abused children's charity programs and rescue animals. The event celebrates Patrick's life and carries a message that an angel lives through those that give, which is exactly what the proceeds from this motorcycle will do. They will give. The bike's going to be given away at this coming event in this coming Easter Sunday, and whoever has that lucky raffle ticket is going to take this motorcycle home. This is the donor bike here that I started with. It's a 1978 Harley-Davidson FLH, and it's shown here in basically a stock form, like a dresser style. And this is the same motorcycle behind me, and it's in the fabrication and customization phase. The bike was donated to the Eberhardt Memorial Foundation by Cave Creek Prospect Cody, and it's now in my hands to customize it and build it for this event coming up. The motorcycle is going to be built in an old school fashion, and it's going to strongly display support 81 colors and graphics. It's going to have many custom one-off built parts and completely rebuilt, refinished, new paint. It's going to be beautiful, and it's going to be built in the style of like an FLH bobber. The build project will be completed by March 1st, and it's guaranteed to be a cool motorcycle that any red and white supporter or member, for that matter, would be proud to own and ride. The ticket sales for this raffle and to win this bike are going to be happening soon, and you need to like and follow some of these Facebook pages to stay informed as to the progress of the bike and also the upcoming event. There's links on the post here that you can follow through, click on them, and then like and follow those pages to stay informed as to those progresses. So that's it, and thank you very much for watching this, and please share it. Share the video. We're looking to get as much exposure on this event as possible and make this year's event the best ever. So again, thank you very much.